Hello, good people. Today is the last day of doing the limits. So, as I'm going to show you some questions randomly. Yeah, so we can start for the first one. Okay, one, which is lim x approach 3 minus. So, since it's a minus, you know how to solve the absolute. So, which is x minus 3. Then here we are saying what lim when x approach 3 minus. Then here we can factorize the difference of 2 squares. X 3 plus minus all over, then from this side, which is what, negative, into x minus 3. X minus 3 cancel x minus 3. Then lim of x approach 3 minus. So we can see the answer. We can substitute. We are having what now? Minus x plus what? 3. Then from therefore we substitute minus into what? Minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 0. Not the undefined. So the second one, this is the last of the last of it today. So lim of y approach sine 5y all over what? Sine 8y. Remember, in this case we're having the rules, right? Which state that we need to make what this remember. Okay, when we proceed, as drinking water, sometimes you need to just drink some water. It's health to the body. Okay, so lim when y approach 0, then from here, since we're having sine 5y, which is sine 5y over sine 8y. So here we can multiply by what? By the inverse. By saying what? By saying 8y over 5y times what? 5y over what? 8y. So that you can pair. Meaning lim y approaches 0. You pair what? 5 sine y, meaning sine 5y over what? Over 5y. This one. Okay? Then times 8y over what? Sine 8y. Times the last one, which is what? 5y over what? 8y. Then lim y approaches what? 0. Then this one is equal to 1. And also this one is equal to 1. Then multiply by 5y over what? 8y. Then y cancel y. So the answer is what? 5 over 8. Okay, thank you. Then there's the other one. Today is the last of our last doing this thing. So I think I show you how to solve. So now then 1, 2. So we are going to look at the third one. Yeah, I'm writing the other one. So which is what? Root of t all over 1 minus t. So sometimes you can see that in this case you don't have to simplify or rationalizing the numerator. Why? Because you can see that you can substitute it directly to it, right? By what? 1 minus root of 4 all over 1 minus 4. Then you can get the answer. Simple as that. Ne? Then 1 minus 3 all over minus 3, which is equal to minus 2 over minus 3. The answer is 2 over 3. Sometimes there's no need for simplifying. They do the simplification. Yeah, so let me do the other one. Easy. And then today is the last of the last. So tomorrow you are going to look at what differentiation by the implicit. I'm going to deal with it tomorrow to attack it, to show that as a student you have to do all the question, you have to attack. Okay, so in this case, lim when x approaches what, infinity, then in this case we can see that we can divide directly by what, by the one with what, the highest exponent. Then we are going to have what here, x to exponent 3 all over x to exponent 3 plus 2x squared all over x to exponent 3 minus x all over x to exponent 3 plus 10 all over x to exponent 3 all over 2x squared all over x to exponent 3 minus x over x to exponent 3 plus 3 all over x to exponent 3. So you can see that this one cancel, which is 1 here. Yeah? Then in this case the answer is what, is infinity, because of here is 0 0 0, so the answer is what, it's infinity. Okay, that's how I got this one. Then for v, lim when x approaches minus 2, so of what, of x plus 2 all over x squared minus x minus 6. So in this case we can do what, we can factorize the what, the denominator. Then by factorizing the denominator we get what, x 3 2 negative positive. Then lim when x approach minus 2, then as you can see x plus 2 cancel, x plus 2, so we are left with what, 1 over x minus 3. Then you can substitute negative 2 here, which is what, 1 over what, minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 over 5. So this is the teaching skill. You can contact me on this number 0712 873542. Or you can WhatsApp me on this number so that we can discuss more questions based on limits. So I think, or maybe I can still help with the other one, because I can see that you are enjoying my method. So let me show you the difficult one. Like if the difficult one, remember, it's the one that's having the square roots, because of it need more simplify. You need to be aware of the method. So I can just give, so as you can see this one, what we can do here, we can rationalize the denominator first, meaning we have to multiply by what, sorry, my camera, what's going on with my phone? Okay, thank you. So here we're having what, 3 plus root of x plus 9 all over 3 plus root of x plus 9. Remember, we have to simplify. Lim when x approaches 0 of what, 2x into what, 3 plus root of x plus 9. So we have to work it out, ne? So here we have 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9, minus into what? Into x plus 9. Remember, it's a difference of 2 squared. Then lim when x approaches 0 of, okay, we multiply, which is what? Which is 6. Or we can, okay, 6x plus what? Plus 2x into root of what? X plus 9. Then all over 9 minus x minus 9. So 9 cancel 9. So lim when x approaches 0, you can take x as a common factor. Here you can see we're having what? X into 3. Okay, so 3 plus what? Plus 2. It's fine. All over x plus 9. Therefore you can see that x cancel. So we're having what? Lim when x approaches what? 0 of negative into 3 plus 2 root of x plus 9. You can substitute directly now. Therefore 3 plus 2 into 0 plus 9, which is equal to 3 plus 2 into what? 3. Then the answer is what? 3 plus what? Plus 6, which is what? 9. So the answer is equal to 9. Okay, let me do the other one. I think I do have the other one. Okay, then lim when t approaches what? Then now it's the negative infinity of 2x plus x squared plus 1 all over 1 minus x plus 2x squared. Then lim when t approaches negative infinity, then here you can see we can divide with the what? The highest variable. So which 2x all over x squared plus x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared all over 1 over x squared minus x over x squared plus 2x over x squared. When lim t approach negative infinity, then x here is 0 plus 1 plus 0 all over what? 0 minus 0 oh sorry, x squared, yeah, okay, plus 2. So as you can see that the answer is what? It's 1 over 2. So this is the answer. Thank you. Tomorrow we are going to do the differentiation by implicit. So tomorrow is our thing, it's our day, we are doing them. But in order to understand them, so I can just talk through, in order to understand the appropriate rules of differentiation, make sure that you understand what? The power rule. There's a rule there which simplify the power rule, and the what? Number 2, which is what? Which is the product rule. I will explain them tomorrow. And the number 3, which is the quotient, the quotient rule. There's no older rule. Then number 4, there's a chain rule. So sometimes you can get the question which needs the what? the combination rule, whereby there's a combination in a given expression. So thank you guys, thank you.